Have you ever gone to a networking meeting and watched some guy out there taking a shotgun approach? He's working the room, he's giving a business card, he's giving another business card, he's asking everybody for an appointment to sell them something, and everybody on the room starts picking up on it really quick, and they back off and they go huddle in their corners and they try at all cost to avoid him. Well, folks, this is kind of a symbolic picture to what's happening with your Google search marketing. So many of us are trying to create web pages, some of them spammy, some of them not, but indirectly they're more about us and less about the individual that we're trying to reach to solve a problem or meet a need or fulfill a desire of some kind. We're too busy and we're too anxious to try to get a sale. And so people are not wanting to engage with our content. Content is all about measuring value. And this last week when we talked about Google Eat in our articles, which by the way, the link is below, high value, no sales pitches, right? I want to get to know you. I want you to get to know me. We're really thinking about how Eat, which is expertise, trustworthiness, and well, actually, I kind of got that backwards even, right? Because I didn't follow Eat, but expertise, authority, and trustworthiness. When you get those things right, you're not taking a shotgun approach to Google marketing. You're not taking a shotgun approach to organic rankings, just stuffing keywords and hoping that things work. You got to figure out how to network properly, just like at a networking meeting. So, some examples today is I went and found a couple of articles by a couple of great companies out there that created great content around Google marketing and around Eat. And I incorporated them in the articles and I'm linking out to them. And you're gonna wanna go to the article and see how I did that. But the point is that I wanna bring value to others. Because when I bring value to others, they're gonna take the content that they think, or I hope they think, is amazing that I created, and they're gonna share it out. Why? Because they're a part of it. It's good networking. I'm bringing value to them. And folks, when you stop and think about removing the shotgun approach to marketing and start making it all about how are we creating value for one another, we're really onto something. More honking in the background, right? See, I love these impromptu videos. Hope you guys do too.